Hi everyone, it's Kim from Affordably Crafty, and today I am going to be unboxing my Knitwise box. If you're new here, welcome. My name's Kim, and my channel is all about learning how to stretch your craft dollar and be affordably crafty. Please like, share, and subscribe. Also, join my Facebook group and follow me on Instagram. So, Knitwise is something I found through Cratejoy, C-R-A-T-E-J-O-Y, which is a fun website that just specializes in subscriptions. You can search by category. They have yarn subscriptions, they have crochet and knit subscriptions, they have stitch marker subscriptions, they have tons of stuff on there. Go check it out, and there's always coupons. So I had gotten a coupon on Black Friday, and that's how I tried this. What I like about Knitwise is you can order knit or crochet, you can order just yarn, and you can also specify beginner or advanced patterns. So I did crochet advanced patterns. Let's see what's inside. Let's open her up. Okay, so it seems like each of the Knitwise boxes comes with a crochet hook. This is a nicer bamboo crochet hook because I like this little ridgy thing here. That makes sense, the ridgy thing, the flat part. And this is an 8mm, and it is a, if you can see that, let me see. Susan Bates style inline hook. So this is inline here, you can tell. So we'll see if I like this. I like that it is light. That makes me happy. Right into my bin of hooks. Then there's a little envelope here, which has a nice plastic tapestry needle that has a nice size eye that will make it easy for thread to go through it. So that is nice. And I have that's garbage. Oh, here's the pattern for this month. So Knitwise Crochet Heart Garland. I don't know if I consider this an advanced pattern. It's cute, but I don't think I'd use this yarn on it. Pattern. Darning needle. Let me pull my hook back out. Hook. Hook, hook. Now the yarn. So this is like a pinky color of yarn. And it is Knitwise Puff. 60% wool, 40% acrylic, 60 grams. Knitting needle size 10 to 11. Crochet hook size I or J. The website is KNIT line. You know what I'm talking about? Hyphen wise, WISE.com. Hand wash cold, lay flat to dry. And the biggest complaint I've had with Knitwise so far is that they don't have yarn weights on their labels. Now this to me seems like maybe a 5. It's a little bit roving. It's pink though, so you know where this is going to end up. Someone else will love this yarn. Giveaway. Someone else will love this yarn. Now this next one I like a lot. Now these are actually the same size, even though they look like they're not. This one's just more compact. Check out that awesome red color. Is that not amazing? What is that on there? Some kind of glitter schmutz. That red is cool. So you can see that it is a little bit roving. But ooh, I do love that. What am I gonna make with that? I'm not gonna make this. I'll make this with something else. But that's pretty cool. So that is my February Knitwise. I don't think there's anything else in it. No. Oh, there was a piece of chocolate, but I ate most of it. Cocoa. Dark milk chocolate with lush fudgy notes. 54% cacao. So that is my Knitwise for the month. Let me know if you have tried this. Oh, look at that. It says, hello. It's time to make something. I am getting quite the collection of these boxes. I was doing Knit Crate for a while, canceled that. I still have Darn Good Yarn for a couple months. Oh, I have to look in and see if Darn Good Yarn automatically renews. I gotta check into that because I don't want it for a whole nother year. Interesting yarn, but they don't give you enough yardage. And that's pretty much that. Okay. So, like, share, and subscribe so your friends can be affordably crafty too. Have a creative day, everyone. Bye.